Andrew here again. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade or an upgrade your PCI Express network card. First you need this. You need a CD, and you need the CD, the disc that came with it. You need to have these two antennas first. First, what you do is make sure your computer is turned off first. You'll not run into any issues. First thing you do is you have to remove this one. So let me get my screwdriver first. First, unscrew the screw. Unscrew the screw right here. First you have to do is you have to remove those antennas. I might try to use these antennas on the new one, but I'll think about it. Remove the antennas. First, then you remove that. See, there's the old one is off, but now first, here's take the new one. Before you insert this, you have to first, yeah, just plug it in right there. I'll switch this computer off. See, it's in right now, so I have to screw it back on. It's screwed on right now, so only need these, and I think I've used this. Yeah. First, you need to screw these on. And it's all screwed on. Then put the antennas on. Oh, fuck. I'm good. Alright, it's gonna go on right now. First, it's to screw that on. See, it says Star Tech. Hard to find, made easy. That's their slogan. And then it goes on. This goes on. Then you put the other one on. And there we go. Then turn on the system. We got with the switch on. This guy didn't even really see me turning it on because I couldn't do it. Couldn't. It's a bigger camera, maybe whatever it is. Have me testing on Windows Vista. Put the disc in with it. First, I'm gonna go into the boot menu. I'm gonna select Windows Vista. Like start Windows normally. This might take a long boot, so let me stop it for a bit. I'll be right back after I boot into Windows Vista. Alright, now I'm back here and now I'm booting to Windows Vista, so I'm gonna just click on my user, my name, and my password. It says welcome. Sorry, the taskbar is broken, so I might have to make a backup. I might have to reinstall it if I can't fix this issue. It says locate driver. First, hit locate driver, install software. It's not digitally signed. All you need to do, says network control. All you need to do is I have to go into my first. I need to go select computer hours. Let me see. Let's go to control panel. First, unblock. Explore. I'll play menu loader. First, select driver installation. First, you go to Real Tech installation or land driver installation. Select that. First, Explorer. So you got driver. See, it does support Windows Vista, which is good, and it can work with Windows 10 and Windows 11 too. Accession to the memory management console. Sorry, my files are corrupted. You cannot call her. No, no. It's installing. Install this driver anyway. See, there it is. Realtek A812AE wireless LAN 802.11 ACPCIe.NIC. And now first I'm going to arrange Cisco EPA Fast. Now I'm going to unplug this adapter. Let's connect to a network. So let me go to my control panel. Well, why it's not letting me connect to the internet? And I was just annoyed. Let me see. Connect to a network. It's not showing up. I'll be right back if I can find an issue for this. Solution for this. Fix it. Alright, now I'm back again. And sorry I couldn't. And sorry I had for my done video, the finished video, because I was very busy. So it says I had to restore the Windows, to restore the system. This to the because the taskbar and the were broken, so I had to reinstall it. So that was the only way to fix the issue. See, now start menu's working. See, let's see, working. So let's see if I can connect. If it works now. Right click. Connect to a network. Yep. Yes, it's now working. See, this all I had. I wasn't talking to you, Mom. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, guys, sorry. That was my mom, so I apologize for that. Finally, the only way to fix this issue was to reinstall Windows. Sorry, Windows. So let me enter my password. And it says connecting to Pickerel 5G, the yield sign. Successfully connected to Pickerel 5G. Save this network, hit close. See, I'm now connected here. So let's open Internet Explorer. So I have, see right here, so I'm going to go to the control panel. I'm going to go to system maintenance. Go to system. And you see from that, so I have Windows Vista Ultimate Edition Service Pack 1. So sorry guys, don't look at my product. So I didn't get a chance to activate it again. So I have to finish putting all my down first. Then I'll continue to use it. So yes, yeah. Well, that's it for So anyway, so that's how you install or upgrade your PCI Express internal Wi-Fi wireless network adapter. So feel free to leave any comments down in the section if you can. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye. Wait a minute. I recommend buying this adapter. It's because it has 5G and 5 through 2G HC and 5G HC, and do not buy this network adapter here because it's going because it does not have Windows Vista support. I recommend this one. See, which it works very good like a station. Anyways, and once, so that's how you install, upgrade your PCI, your wireless network, Wi-Fi PCI Express card adapter. So remember, So I'm gonna be selling or returning to Amazon whenever if I can or not, depends as I am. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and bye.